So I was out here trolling minnows, hoping to catch a few crappie. Haven't caught any crappie, but I've had a couple channel cats show up and a couple of them pretty good. I'm running the same light setup I use for panfish. It's just 6-pound test line, a small size 6 hook, a couple split shots, and a slow troll. Not exactly a catfish rig, but when one of these channel cats hits, you know it. You're not expecting to fight a fish like that on ultralight rod and reels. It is chaos in the absolute best way. They just bend that rod in half and run with it like they own the lake.
See what that was. Oh my God.
That's the cool part about trolling these minnows. You might run through a school of crappie, or you might run across some big catfish, so. These channels are healthy, fat, and fighting hard. Makes me think this lake's got a solid population.
Stop.
Not what I came for, but I'll take it. Sometimes the best trips are like that. If you like this kind of action, and you haven't already, check out some of my other videos. Thank y'all for watching.